you and you. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ashley if you're new here, and if you're returning, welcome back. In my last video, I mentioned that my favorite flowers are hydrangeas and baby breath. There's actually a lot of other flowers that I really like, but I can't really think of the name. But I also love roses, but I always felt that they didn't last very long and are actually prone to wilting. I received a rose box from Rose Forever. So thank you so much to Rose Forever for sending me these. These are so beautiful. I would say it's been about a week since I've had these, and they are still as good as new. And they are real flowers. They smell really good. They have such a fresh smell, and I just love the luxe feel to it. I'm going to add this to my bathroom, and I feel like it will like really pull things in together and just give it a nice feminine vibe. And I'm not a fan of logos, but this logo is just so pretty, so simple. There's a lot of birthdays coming up this summer or just year round. So if you want to treat someone, make them feel special and give them a lovely rose box, you can use my promo code. I'll insert it in the description box and I'll put it up on the screen. Give them a rose box. Even if you want to treat yourself to a little something. Here you are. There you go. And the beautiful thing about it, if you don't want to go with this square look, they have different designs, they have different colors. And they have a 4th of July sale coming up, so if you're having like a barbecue or cookout or anything, feel free to get the red ones. You know, if you want to keep it on theme, just place them on the table. Or if you just want to put it anywhere in your decor, like I feel like it's such a timeless vibe and a great staple to have or to add to your home decor. And these lovely roses last up to 1 year, and there's no additional water or care needed.